Alright, here go your steering wheel. There go your lock cylinder. Then you go down your steering shaft, go down, go down, go down, go down right there. That's your Ignition switch. If that's fucked up, you won't be getting no power. Or check the wires running to it. This ain't the wires. This is for like the cruise control and the horn, all that shit. But you'll have a plug that go in the hair. Sometimes the wires get loose. Check all them wires that go in the hair. But this is the Ignition switch right here. All you do, you gotta take the bracket. Right here, you got one right there. You got one right there. That's it, yeah. You got two bolt holes. No. You got four bolt holes. 3, 4. That hold the thing up, you take that off, and then the steering column gonna drop, and that'll give you access to that right there. But check on that just to make sure.